Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Clickbank. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply log into your account. Now right over here in the main dashboard you will find a lot of options, but if you're beginning, so you will only need 2 or 3 options. So the first main option that you should look at is your account nickname over here. Click on that. Over here you will be able to see all the money that you have earned so far in the current month or in the past months as well. Now if you want to get the offers to actually earn money, what you have to do is click on marketplace over here, or you can also click on affiliate marketplace over here as well. Now when you will reach affiliate marketplace, you'll find a lot of categories over here which you can use to actually promote affiliate products. So you can choose any category over here, or if you click on this all option, you'll find a huge variety of categories that are available in Clickbank. Now if you want to choose something, let's say for example business and investing, so in that you will find subcategories which you can choose. So if you don't want to choose any of these options over here, you can click on the all option that will show all the products that are currently running on Clickbank. Now to even get the best out of all the best, just simply click on rank and choose gravity high to low. So now it will show you the best products that are currently selling a lot. So the conversion price may vary. You can just simply scroll down and get the best one that you want. You will find big numbers over here as well. Just simply look which one you want. Now to get the link, all you have to do is click on promote. Then there will be obviously some details that you have to fill and add your nickname over here. And after you have completed the nickname process, click on create hop link. Now there are 2 types of things that will happen over here. The first thing is you will have to ask for approval to the actual affiliate owner. So whoever is posting the affiliate product over here, you will have to ask for an approval to that particular person, and you have to tell them where exactly you are going to promote their page or website or their product. So you will be given the option to contact them right over here, and in other cases you will have other option where you can get the affiliate link directly. So let me show you. So in some offers you can just simply click on promote, enter your username or nickname, then just simply click on create hop link. Just like that you will get the affiliate link of that particular product, and you don't have to ask for approval. Now whenever anyone will buy from this particular link, you will get a commission of the pay. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.